Jesse and Chester. If you are Jesse and Chester, perhaps we will give you erotic pleasure. We're looking for the Continuum Transfunctioner. We are not guys, we are hot chicks.
The Continuum Transfunctioner is a very mysterious and powerful device.
And its mystery is only exceeded by its power.
We will give you pleasure now, if you give us a Continuum Transfunctioner. No, first you give us a Continuum Transfunctioner, then we give you the pleasure.
How about this you get pleasure?
Deal. We are looking for Jesse and Chester.
It's over there, dude.
We are hot chicks. We believe Jesse and Chester have the Continuum Transfunctioner. However, if you recover the Continuum Transfunctioner from them and bring it to us, we will give you erotic pleasure.
Gotcha. Okay, guys, new plan. First, we find those stoners, get the Continuum Transfunctioner, then it's jerk.
Do you know Jesse and Chester?
Pardon me?
We're looking for Jesse and Chester. Have you seen them? We're extremely hot chicks with large breasts.
Do you mind if I touch your face? It's the only way I can really see who I'm talking to.
Okay.
Wow. You are hot.
Is this normal?
Sammy, you're up next. Come on. What the sis?
Excuse me?
Anthony, what is going on?
Nothing. I was just reading. Bye, ladies. I need to be alone now.
We are looking for Jesse and Chester.
Who are you guys? We are not guys. We are hot chicks.
We are supposed to meet Jesse and Chester later, but we cannot wait.
Well, we don't know where they are. And frankly, we don't care.
Now may I have the Continuum Transfunctioner? Would you consider giving it to me while I continue to give you? Where is the Continuum Transfunctioner?
Let the pleasure begin.
Of course it is.
Time. Hey, Mac Pot! You are...
No, Continuum Transfunctioner. They want to destroy the universe. Stop copying us. Stop copying us.
Bitch.
Whoa! That is one super hot giant alien!
Do you spit or swallow?
We will now use the power in New Jersey.
I want to go on that ride, Daddy.
The boat accelerator annihilation!
Concentrate!